Alright, YouTube, after all the excitement of getting this awesome truck, here it is. This recycling truck is late as fulanos. Oh, no, that car. Wait. Oh, no. Drivers, can't y'all wait till the garbage truck is gone? Jeez. Look at those mother fulanos. Oh, no. Earthquakes, baby. Woo-hoo! Oh, wow. This time it's coming by. It went by this way and normally it comes by this way to my left. Whoa. YouTube, don't do what these drivers are doing. I don't know why the fulano they're beating the garbage truck. Mother fulanos. Whew. Smells fresh and green. Whew. Very quiet morning, though. I'm not the legendary chewing garbage truck fan for nothing. Oh, it's the same truck, huh? This garbage truck is late as fulanos. This garbage truck is very late. Normally it comes by at 6 a.m. But now it came a little late. Woo. Woo-hoo! There goes that ambulance. Something happened. I don't know what. I'm not the legendary chewing garbage truck fan for nothing. Wow. YouTube, how y'all liked the rain yesterday? We had some killer thunderstorms this morning. 2 to 3 at around 2 a.m. Thought it was gonna be sunny, warm, and dry, but apparently not. Okay, here she comes. Man, I'm tired. Still tired from that exercise. Okay. Good thing these cars are going by well before this garbage truck comes by. YouTube, don't do what these cars are doing. I don't know why the fulano these cars are beating the garbage truck. Five minutes, 42 seconds and counting. Wow. Yikes. Okay. People with brains. Okay. Y'all need to wait. Yeah! Echo waves, baby! He didn't stop here. It was a recycling truck. I'm not the legendary Ching garbage truck fan for nothing. Wow. There is a lot of traffic. I thought it was the yard waste, but nope. Great crew, great garbage truck. There goes that garbage truck to the recycling center. Woo!